Welcome to Emojis. Here's how to add emojis to your Discord server. First of all, click on the down arrow next to the server's name and then go into server settings. Head over to emoji. Now to install an emoji, simply click on upload emoji and choose the emoji of your choice. Now there are a couple of things you need to remember when uploading your custom emojis. First of all, an emoji can't be over 256 KB in size. Secondly, if you don't have Discord Nitro, you can only upload 50 custom emojis. If you do have a Discord Nitro subscription, you can upload up to 150 custom emojis to your server. However, here as well, these animated GIFs can only be used by members who got Discord Nitro. Moreover, it is very important to know that the display size of emojis on Discord is going to be 32 to 32 pixels. However, it is recommended that you upload an emoji that is 128 to 128 pixels. Later, this emoji is going to be resized by Discord automatically. If you are creating your own emojis, you can use some video software such as Premiere Pro, for example. However, whenever you're going to use software like Premiere Pro to create these GIFs, chances are that when you are exporting that GIF, that the size will be far too big. However, don't worry, there are some websites you can go that can fix that problem for you. I always use this website called easegif.com. There, simply click on resize and then you can upload your GIF right there. Once it is uploaded, you can compress your GIF and it will be much smaller that way. You can also use this website to add some special effects to your GIFs. Give it a try, it's pretty cool. If you are on a mobile phone, simply open up Discord, slide to the right once or twice depending on where you are in the menu, select your server, then go and select the three dots next to the server's name. Scroll down a little bit, choose settings, and there please go to emoji. Now here you see a list with all the emojis that are currently installed on your server. To upload new ones, simply go to upload emoji and select the new emojis that you would like to upload. As far as the size of these emojis goes, the same requirements as on desktop need to be respected, of course. If this video indeed solved your problem, please be so kind and subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.